This is the Mountfield 394 PB. This is powered by a 125cc overhead valve Briggs & Stratton engine. This machine's got 4 individual height of cut adjustments, ranging from 25 to 70 mil over 5 different settings. So this machine features a 40 litre grass collector. It's very quick and simple to take on and off. This machine's got a 39 centimetre cutting width. It features a very strong and durable polypropylene cutter deck. So as we said, we've got the 40 litre grass collector, which comes on and off very easily. You can use the machine as a rear discharge, so the grass can be just cut and thrown straight out the back if you've got longer grass that you want to get it under control, but without throwing it into the grass bag. Again, the grass bag's very quick and easy to place back on. So this Briggs & Stratton engine is 125cc. He's overhead valve. He's got a primer start carburettor, so you literally prime the carburettor, pull the cord, and away you go. It's a 4-stroke engine, so it just runs on straight unleaded fuel.
For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has 2 years manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by the ServiceLink helpline and over 600 ServiceLink approved dealers across the UK and Ireland. These ServiceLink dealers will happily carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.